Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So today I have for you another two face washes from Good Vibes. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them, you will get redirected and just follow me everywhere. Now, you guys know I have done one video already for Good Vibes face wash. They were in the green tea and the activated charcoal variant. Now I have two in the neem and the coffee variant. So that is like one of my most viewed videos, and the response to that video was really nice. And since then, I have constantly been buying the Good Vibes products, and I sort of like Good Vibes as a company now because I think it provides some really bomb ass products in such nice prices. I really am a fan of that company as of now. So today I'll be talking about these two face washes. I'll be taking you through these face washes. The one is in the neem, it's the purifying face wash in neem, and it's the oil control face wash in coffee. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks. As you can see, this is what it is. It says no parabens and cruelty free. You can see it's 120 ml, and the key ingredients are coconut and corn based surfactants, if I can read it right: aqua, lactic acid, glycerin, coffee extracts, and coffee oil. So this is what the ingredients are, and I think there are many other ingredients that are not written. So I'm sure these are not all the ingredients. Some of them are missing, but yeah, I mean it does not contain any harsh thing. So yes, and it says coffee because, well, coffee, the standard line, filled with antioxidants. It helps control sebum production. It also has anti-aging and anti-acne properties that keeps the face radiant and glowy. And of course, all the things that every standard face wash has. That is exactly what is written over here for the neem one, crafted with passion, skill, everything, and this. And for neem, it says neem because, well, neem beneficial for oily skin and acne prone skin. Neem helps fighting blemishes, pimples, and other skin infections. So yes, this is the neem purifying face wash. This is 200 ml bottle. Of course, you can compare both of them. This one is bigger, it's 200 ml. It says no parabens, cruelty free, and no mineral oil, and it has a whole lot of ingredients as compared to this. It just had like 10 ingredients, and this has like a whole list, all the sodium and chemicals and acetones and everything. So yes, so let me talk about the coffee one first. Now Good Vibes actually, Purple actually had a sale on the skincare. From there I bought these two, and it actually costs rupees, the coffee one cost rupees 175. Now talking about this face wash, I'll actually start off with, oh my god, I spilled it. So okay, talking about this face wash, now coffee is my favorite thing, and I absolutely love coffee. There is literally no day I can survive without coffee. So I was like, I need the coffee flavor. It is the oil control face wash, and I have oily T zone. I thought it would be good for me in the summer season. Now I don't use it on a very regular basis, so I cannot actually say it yes controls the oil, like if you use it it's going to control the oil. No, it does not happen like that. But if I talk about the cleansing portion of it, it does clean the skin, but it does not dry the skin. Like the charcoal one does, give you a little dryness. This does not dry your skin. It does control the oil. I mean, you will feel like very refreshed after using this. The thing is that coffee smells very delicious. To me, smell of a coffee is heavenly. This does not smell like coffee. I have this issue with Good Vibes. And what were you thinking when you were actually, creating the fragrance for this one? It has a very bourbon kind of fragrance. And to be honest, if you guys are actually, to some people they are actually very uh, not fond of fragrances in their products, and if you are actually irritated by the smell, or if you are bothered by the smell, this smell is not the most pleasant smell for you. Now, the fragrance of my products do not bother me that much, but even this bothers me because it actually smells like bourbons, which I do not like as a flavor, or even in the fragrance. So I'm a little bothered about the fragrance. Other than that, this is actually a good face wash. So if you have the oil problem, if you want a face wash that would actually clean out your oils, which is very affordable, it is just rupees 175. I think you can definitely try this coffee face wash. But again, if you are bothered of the smells, I would say just stay away. Second one is this, the Neem Purifying Face Wash, and this is actually the bigger bottle. This coffee face wash was actually, I believe, 120 ml. It says no parabens and cruelty free, which is the best part about Good Vibes. They are cruelty free, they do not have parabens, but this one does have sulfates, I'm sure, because it does not say sulfate free. So I'm sure it does contain a little bit of like something like sulfates. This one, on the other hand, says no parabens, cruelty free, and no mineral oil, which is another better part than the coffee one. This one is 200 ml and it costs rupees 250. But of course, I got it from sale, so they were much less than this. So this is in the neem flavor, and the smell of it is just like the neem, the same kind of that bitter smell. It just smells like that, and I'm again not a huge fan of the smells. I mean, both of these face wash they are really nice, but the smell is what bothers me a lot. So if you don't like that neemish kind of smell, you wouldn't really like the smell of this either. It smells like little neem, that sort of smell in what should I say? If you have ever smelled that nimbolis, the fruit of the neem tree, it smells literally like that. But again, it's a purifying face wash, and neem is actually a really nice ingredient when it comes to purifying the face. The Himalaya has a neem face wash which is really bomb for the acne part, the pimple part. So I believe this is somewhat similar to that, but that smells really nice and it smells like real neem. So yes. Other than that, the consistency is just similar to that of Himalaya one, and it is also a really nice face wash. It does, clean out. With these two face washes, of course, they are bomb. They do clean really well. The only minus part I feel about them is their smell. They are not like very drying. I mean, it's the summer season. It isn't the dry season either, but they do not dry, which is a good thing about them. And Good Vibes, of course, it is killing it with their products. The face washes from Good Vibes have been my very favorite, to be honest. These face washes, not the foaming face washes, they were not like my favorite ones. So yes, this is it for face wash. So I would really suggest you guys, if you are looking for good alternatives to good face washes that aren't very costly but are really good, I would really suggest you to go with the Good Vibes face washes. They are really nice and very effective in a very affordable price. So you can definitely try them and check them out. Yes guys, this was it for today's video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.